Look at Amaya and her dad. They were feeding the birds, and the birds were making nest over Raju. And look at me. So many birds were on my head, and they are parakeets. It's like parakeets corner or something like that. Amaya was a little afraid initially. See, she was hiding, and I don't know why all of them, like many of them, were over Raju, and some of them were my head too. It was really fun time yesterday.